Hello, it's me from the edit. I just wanted to mention that the reason why we were in the village in the first place was a university project, and we were supposed to film a video about the people living in the village. And if you're interested in the final results, feel free to check out the description of the video or the info box up here. And yeah, check it out.
Hi guys, welcome to day 2 of the quarantine. So it's to protect himself, to prevent, and to kind of self-defense, law enforcement, and prevent the kind of illegal act to happen. In case he encounters the fierce animals, right? Protect himself. So he will shoot a gun, not to the animals, but just to make a loud noise. In Phetchaburi, next to Ratchaburi, people report that there are 5 tigers found in Gangajan. So even it's 5, but it's a very significant number.
Okay, it's afternoon now, and now we're walking through the jungle with like actual rangers that work here and protect the animals. And yeah, it was very interesting. They walk around with actual guns, and they've seen tigers and all these types of things. We've just been walking through a river for like half an hour, and it's only 30%, so it's gonna be at least 40 more minutes. It is very dangerous, like all these rocks we walk on top are very slippery. We managed to go outside of the jungle, and we saw the camp of the scout people here, where they were camping throughout the night and making fire. We're trying some tea now. It's like straight out of the jungle. I think they used some jungle leaves or something for this. This guy made it for us, and here it is. So I'm curious.
It was like Jack and Android, you know? He was strong, he was so worst.
Normal tea.
Yeah, normal tea, I guess.
So this is Gustafine. We named her after Gustav.
We pray she doesn't have rabies.
No, it's fine.
We're back at our camp. Soon we'll have dinner. And yeah, we've been just chilling here for like an hour now, playing some cards. Dinner is probably gonna be rice again, like every time, every meal.
Hello.
Are you excited for rice?
Yes.
I'm gonna poop rice at this point. Just rice.
I'm not pooping at all.
How bad is it?
Almost 48 hours.
We are the children. We are the ones who made us stay. So let's just keep moving. There's a choice we make.
Day 2 has come to an end. Desi and me, we are in the other house that's like, I don't know, 40 meters away from the main building. Now we're gonna sleep and wake up to a very beautiful sunrise. We're gonna give some food to the monks in the morning. That's probably also gonna be very interesting. Good morning. It's like 5:45 right now. We're gonna go out to the monk now. And here everyone is brushing their teeth. Arrived at the place now. There are the monks sitting, and we're waiting for like 2 more monks to arrive. then we're all lining up here, and we'll give them some food. It's very important not to touch them, so we're just gonna put the food in bowls they are carrying around.
I liked it. I loved it. It was quick, but it was good.
What did you think about it?
It was very interesting. Never done something like this before, so that's cool.
And now we're just sitting here with a coffee. And this view. I mean, isn't this awesome?
Oh.
มันเม็ดเลย
Oh, that's good.
ไม่เผ็ด
Oh. Oh my god.
Your turn.
Nah, no.
Oh.
แล้วกูงง Show them. It's bleeding clear.
Know how to catch มันไม่กล้ามาจันเพราะว่ามันไอ้นี่เอ้า
But what do I do with it now? It has the gimbal.
Have you ever tried like hold them before?
No.
Oh really? The first time? Not scared. Oop. Wow, these the key
Very sour.
people.
But not bad.
That's a really sour apple.
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
It's pretty soft.
You try everything but not chicken, right?
How do you?
Just twist it.
yes one more ไอ้ดิบเกินแค่ว่าไอ้แดง
It is really good. Currently having a cooking class. It ended up just hunting chicken and eating some fruits out of their garden, and there's chickens right next to me, and the kids like climb up the trees and get the fruits for us. It's kind of funny, honestly.
There's insect inside.
แยกลูกก่อนแยกลูกอยู่ตรงไหนแยกก่อน
Yeah, this one.
ไอ้หลังมันเนี้ยจะเรียบ
It's
ตัวเมีย
flat,
ถ้าเป็นตัวผู้เนี่ยมันจะยิก
They just dug out an insect and I hold it. Bro, that thing was so disgusting. Look at this.
I don't like that it's moving.
What?
อย่ามีของเขาดิ
Oh, this shit is disgusting.
Don't shake this. Yeah.
อย่าเขาว่าเป็นตัวนี้
Wait, do I grab his arms?
No, not my arms. That's it. Oh. You got.
Yeah, it's true. Banana.
เขาไม่น่าสูงเลยนะ
Real cooking.
After
Spicy
they kind of
sauce.
like fry it.
It's a fruit with honey and salt.
1 กิโล
Like that. Oh, yes.
It's good.
Yeah.
The consistency is just interesting. The kids are in the back. We're on the truck again.
Yep, we're back.
This truck is definitely less elevated than the other one, and the suspension is not as good, so the ride's even more bumpy. we're at this workshop now, and we do these baskets here. Very nice.
Catch chickens with this.
Yeah, we also interviewed the guy. Jure showed him the drone. He really enjoyed it. It's very, very cute how happy he is seeing these things. Yeah, and I almost finished mine. Like he's finishing up my basket now. That's what I worked on. It's the chicken baskets. They put the chicken in there, put the head in here, and then the back of the body goes there, and then they put a stick in here, and or like this I think, and then the feet are at the bottom and the tail's at the top. Oh yeah, and before we were driving the motorcycle just off-road on these bumpy roads. That was also a wild experience. We survived, that's the most important. To be dead?
I don't know. Usually they make a sound. What? Well, he's not dead.
Rose holding on for dear life.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna rescue the cicada. On the leaf. Yes. Move.
So who lost? Louis, right? Yeah, Louis.
They're bullying me.
Louis lost.
Again and again and again and again.
It's okay.
Well, we're playing cards. And it's raining. Probably don't see it. But it do be a vibey atmosphere. Day 2 in the Karen village has come to an end. It's been a very exhausting day because we woke up at 5:30 to see the monks. But at least like towards the afternoon it was a bit more chill because we were just sitting and doing the baskets. But yeah, it's still very exhausting overall. Yeah, we're gonna sleep on the floor again. Can't wait for this, but I'm very exhausted, so I'll probably sleep good anyways. And then tomorrow we're on the way back and I have to start editing the video we shot. Really curious how this is gonna turn out. We just gave the one local, the one 16-year-old guy that was the whole time with us, a present. There was a really heartwarming moment.
For you, Beam. It's from everyone.
Now we're on the way to a coffee shop here, and I think then we finally leave. Arrived at the coffee place and they just showed us the coffee plants they grow themselves. Also the interior of the coffee shop looks really ancient and just, it has a very rustic and nice vibe. Gonna get a beetle nut. This guy is gonna cut it down the tree and then we'll take it like a nut that grows in the trees, and it apparently makes you tweaking a bit. So I'm curious. So apparently this one was not ripe yet, so we're gonna walk a bit now and find a ripe one. And then we might take it with an old lady because she usually takes that shit. But we lost our translator, so we're only with the Karen people now, and we have no translator. Oh, this is the ripe one. Yeah, this looks much more like in the picture.
And she has the equipment. And you can get drunk, nah?
Yeah.
A bit.
Yeah.
Roll it.
Chew on it, right?
Sure. This first and then this later, all together.
Also?
Also. Chew it. Until your saliva come out, then you throw it. Yeah.
It's the same.
It's the normal one.
It's
you
the grandma
might not.
that has the equipment.
Okay, and then this.
You gotta also chew on a nut. How do you feel?
So small.
It just doesn't taste good. But
But also doesn't taste really bad, right?
Well, I feel like a tiny bit, like very, very little tipsy.
Like my tongue is numb.
But apart from that, it was just not nice to chew on. But we're gonna get a fresh one now that's apparently stronger, and then we'll see. He's trying to shoot down the fresh beetle nuts now.
All the way to the top, right?
Oh, almost.
What?
Did he get it first, right?
Yeah, I saw it drop.
It's on the tree, person.
But it's fine. No, I want the small one. Oh, but you also want it. Oh, yeah, I got it. Yeah, you don't swallow it.
Don't hold it. It tastes disgusting.
Disgusting, bro. Well, the fresh one was even more disgusting, and we still don't feel anything. So yeah, it wasn't that great in the end. But I'm gonna try the slingshot now.
ประมาณนี้
One more. Bye. Okay, we arrived with the 4x4s now, and we're gonna switch into the vans. I would just like to have a little resume about the trip, because I only have like 4 minutes left on the SD card. I'm really happy we did this. The people here were so nice, especially that we're foreigners and everything. I think it was very new to them, because foreigners stay in the big cities and don't usually go to these rural areas. And it was so cool to see all these things, how the people actually live here, and I don't know, interact with the nature, how heartwarming they are, how likable they are, how all these little things, seeing how they cook, seeing how they craft. That was so interesting, and I'm really glad we did it. Yeah, but that's it for the trip. Hope you liked it. It's me again. Don't forget to check out the final video in the video description or up here in the info box.